Have you ever wondered how many people are actually using Neon Bank? It's a question that's been on the minds of many, especially as the digital banking landscape continues to evolve. Today, we're diving deep into the Neon Bank customer base. Imagine if Neon Bank had a stadium-sized crowd cheering them on. How many seats would that stadium need? Neon Bank, with its sleek interface and innovative features, has quickly gained popularity among tech-savvy individuals. But the real question is, how many people have actually taken the leap and chosen Neon as their primary bank? Research and analysis. To answer this question, we've conducted extensive research analyzing various sources including Neon Bank's official statements and press releases, financial reports and regulatory filings, industry analyst estimates and projections, customer feedback and reviews. Neon Bank's growth trajectory. Neon Bank has experienced significant growth since its launch. They've consistently attracted new customers with their user-friendly app, competitive interest rates, and personalized financial tools. However, the exact number of customers remains somewhat elusive. Factors affecting customer numbers. Several factors can influence the size of Neon Bank's customer base. Marketing and advertising campaigns, partnerships and collaborations, economic conditions, regulatory changes, competitive landscape, industry estimates and projections. While Neon Bank hasn't disclosed an exact customer count, industry analysts have provided estimates based on their growth trajectory and market trends. These estimates suggest that Neon Bank has a substantial customer base, but it's still growing rapidly. Customer feedback and reviews. One of the best ways to gauge the popularity of a bank is to listen to what its customers have to say. Neon Bank has received positive feedback from many users, praising its convenient features, excellent customer service, and secure platform. So, to answer the original question, how many customers does Neon Bank have? While we don't have an exact number, it's clear that Neon has attracted a significant following and continues to grow its customer base. If you're considering switching to a digital bank, Neon Bank is definitely worth considering. Their innovative features, competitive rates, and user-friendly interface make them a compelling choice. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.